Have you ever wondered where that simple box of matches in your kitchen drawer comes from? The journey from a giant log to a tiny flame is a fascinating mix of heavy machinery and human precision. It all begins with soft timber logs. After the bark is removed, the logs are mounted onto a massive peeling lathe. As the log spins, a long, sharp blade shaves off a continuous, paper-thin sheet of wood known as veneer. Workers carefully collect these delicate sheets. They are stacked and inspected to ensure the wood is free of knots or defects, which is crucial for making strong matchsticks that won't break when you strike them. Next, the veneer sheets are fed into a high-speed chopping machine. In the blink of an eye, the wood is sliced into thousands of individual match splints. It's a rapid-fire process that turns a single sheet into a mountain of sticks in seconds. The raw splints are collected in large basins. Before they can be used, they must be thoroughly dried and polished to remove any rough edges and ensure they burn evenly. Now comes the most visually satisfying part of the process. The loose sticks are shaken onto a perforated conveyor belt. The vibration forces the sticks to stand upright, slotting them individually into thousands of tiny holes, preparing them for the chemical dip. Held firmly in place, the sticks travel to the dipping station. The tips are lowered into a chemical paste, usually a mix of potassium chlorate and binding agents, which creates the famous red head. They then travel through long drying racks to harden the mixture. Once the heads are dry, the matches are punched out of the rack and sent for sorting. Any broken or malformed matches are filtered out to ensure quality control. Meanwhile, the packaging line is in full swing. Machines fold and glue cardboard strips to create the inner drawer of the matchbox. The finished matches are measured by volume and shaken into these trays automatically. The filled trays are then slid into their outer covers. This is a mix of machine automation and manual oversight. Workers check the flow to make sure every box is properly assembled and no matches are spilling out. Once the individual boxes are complete, they move to the bundling station. Here they are grouped into sets, usually packs of 10 or 12. Finally, these bundles are wrapped in plastic and heat-sealed for protection against moisture. From a raw log to a packaged product, these matches are now ready to be shipped out, waiting to light a candle or start a fire in homes around the world.